Today is April 25th, 2025. Today we are going to set up new worm bin from the compost of the kitchen food scrap and cow manure compost that we've been preparing in our backyard. Bismillah. Today is April 25, 2025. We're going to harvest today some of the compost that we made from the kitchen food scrap. Today we're going to harvest from the compost of the cow manure that we have composted before. This is kitchen food scrap uh, compost, and this is cow manure compost. It's more than a month now, so we're gonna use it to make a new worm bin. We'll set up a worm bin with this boat. We'll put the new worm in this side here. We'll put the new worm here. Then, when they get used to the new bedding, they will spread here. Today is April 25th, 2025. Today we are going to set up new worm bin from the compost of the kitchen food scrap and cow manure compost that we've been preparing in our backyard. We'll harvest from here some worm to transfer to the new worm bin. We'll take it with their old bedding that they used to eat. We'll add it in this section of the bin. So when they are when this bedding is ready, they will spread and will go into this new bedding. This worm bin has been here for 5 weeks now. Here, as you see, take some more. After we added the new worm to the worm bedding, we will spray water with it. We have here another layer of bedding in case there is excess water. The worm will not be affected. It will drain the excess water, and also the worm can go through this top layer to the lower level.